So Rahul, today we read the what as per in the paper in Mumbai Mirror we read,
It's a complete story, imaginary story, given by some chota mota vakil who claims who doesn't know law. I'm saying this because how can a person say against a law, against the judiciary system, which I have the charge sheet in my hand? Today there is no sign of putting fingers on that you have done this, I have done this, no, you have done that. Every investigation, whatever has done during the investigation, course of investigation is out in papers in charge sheet, in which it has been clearly shown that I want you to scan the charge sheet, the entire telephonic conversation. Today I am coming out with this charge sheet was there in my hand uh, quite few months now. I never called the press to say that, today see the charge sheet states that I am innocent. It is her parents who has put Pratyusha into tremendous pressure. I never wanted to do that because I feel when there is a case in the court, it has to be an respect for that honorary court, Mumbai High Court, and the honorary judge to take the decision. But today when a dirty game is being played, so I want to come in front of the press and talk to the people out there who is going to view this, that where Pratyusha Banerjee is telling me over the phone that my father is calling me a prostitute, and she's crying on this because no girl can take her father calling her prostitute, and where I am calming her down. Calm down, you are not like this, so why you are thinking that you are like that? What happens if somebody says you anything? Don't take it in your head, calm down. He's saying it's my father, not anyone. Because it's my father, I am been hurt. If it won't have been father, I would have cared a shit. And again she's saying that for you it's your commitment that you're there with me, you love me, that's why you feel bad for me and yourself. Okay, it's been clearly written here, you can read this, right? And मेरे बारे में गंदा गंदा बात कर रहे हैं, ये सब हंसने की बात है. तुम्हारे बारे में कोई ऐसा बोल रहा है तो हंसो. तो बोलिए मेरे माँ बाप है वो, माँ बाप है वो मेरे. That is the reason I am feeling bad. So there is no question of today. A paper like Mumbai Mirror is writing about me. I spoke to them and they have been misguided. I think they are going to come up with a better article tomorrow. Article I means the truth, the charge sheet. So that's it. Today it's again I'm saying it's no point putting fingers on anyone. It's very sad. If somebody is trying to put down somebody's name who is no more. मेरा नाम दे रहे अलग बात है यार, मैं साबित कर रहा हूँ. उसको जो आज हेडलाइन बन रहा है प्रोस्टिट्यूट हेडलाइन बन रहा है, वो यहाँ नहीं है ये बोलने के लिए कि वो नहीं है वो. लेकिन आज क्या सोच रहे हैं लोग. मैं इसीलिए ये चार्जशीट आने के बाद मैं कभी भी मीडिया के सामने नहीं आया. उनको तो मीडिया के सामने आने के लिए बहाना चाहिए. उस वक्त मैं हॉस्पिटल में था तो मैं बात करने के लिए ठीक अपने करेक्ट सेंस में नहीं था कि मैं क्या बात करूं. मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि हुआ क्या है. जब आज एक ओपन पिच नहीं है कि वो आराम से आके एक 3 विकेट में बॉलिंग करे और वो आउट करे और सोचे कि कोई बैट्समैन ही नहीं है. आज मैं हूँ बैटिंग करने के लिए, मैं अच्छा खेलता हूँ, है ना.
राहुल थ्रू आउट जो भी बातें हो रही है राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट, लेकिन एक बात तो काफ़ी सबको समझ में आ रहा है कि वो काफ़ी प्रेशर में थी ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स. एंड ऑल्सो काफ़ी उसके फ्रेंड्स जो इंडस्ट्री से बोले दैट नो वन वाज अवेयर. सो आप लोग को कभी यू वर सो क्लोज टू हर, ऑब्वियसली शी सेड दैट यू वर द ओनली हैप्पीनेस इन हर लाइफ ड्यूरिंग दोज लास्ट फ्यू डेज. डिड यू ऑल फील द नीड टू रीच आउट टू समवन?
Reach out to who? Reach out to who? See, kind of decisions she has taken to do this, whatever has happened, it's something which is unimaginary. Nobody can think about it. I left the house half an hour back and I spoke to her over the phone. I turned my car back and I said ki I'm coming back in half an hour, you don't do anything. I even packed the food for her because she has not eaten, she has drunk a lot, she'll eat and she'll go off to sleep. So I did my part. I did whatever I can do. I am giving a mouth-to-mouth respiration. I took her to the hospital. I stayed in the hospital for 3.5 hours. After handing over Pratyusha's body to her uncle, the only parents she has, I left the place because I was seeing all fake people around that hospital that point of time. I would have lost my temper. First of all, I was not believing that why I'm in hospital, and secondly, I would have bashed their face because they were showing concern to Pratyusha when Pratyusha needed concern. They were never there. So I can't tolerate that entire fake people, bunch of jokers out there. So I left the place. And I was the person who went there. See, media cannot be taken as a toy shop. Today, media has been treated as a toy shop by this so-called people. They are saying whatever they want to say. They have been printed. So I think media should take it very seriously. They should not be treated as a toy. And where कोई चाबी घुमा दो तो जो बोलना है वो बोलेंगे. They should investigate. Reporters means reporting and having a correct version over the things which has been told. Not whatever a sad part, whatever has happened till now. It's a very sad part what has happened till now. And now when the charge sheet, the investigation report is out, I think they should talk about that, not about alligating anyone.
And like it is being said, like what's there on proof, like on the transcript, like she has said, that she was being forced to do something which she probably did not like. Did you ever get a hint about it that the parents would tell her to do something which is as allegedly as serious as flesh trade?
I don't think so, yaar. I never had. I would have definitely taken a step, but of course she was the only source of income in her family, and their parents were highly dependent on them, and there were high amount of loan on her head on this age. So my mom has even sent me some messages over the phone, stating that please pay the EMI of my loan in HDFC. People are coming to my house in Jamshedpur. Beta, please kar do. So I don't know. The faces of people do change so much. How they change, it's very difficult to understand the color of a lizard. It's like you don't know how they change their colors. So for me, it's not very easy for understanding the fact of what has happened or what would have happened, because it was too early in a relationship when we started, and we are very happy. And it was too early to go inside somebody's life so much in so early time. So of course I had a hint. She was pressurized by money. That is the reason there was so much of loan in so high interest. Otherwise, if would have been only living on her whatever she is earning, I don't think so she would have taken so much of loan. So must be. I today say must be. There must be some pressure. There must be something which has gone into her head to take this step. But it's not me for sure. It was clearly stated in my last conversation, and few more conversations are there. And in the few bank statements, it's been clearly written that, how the money has been transferred from her account to her mom's account. So today, it's not putting fingers, it's there.
Have you been in touch with her parents in the last few months?
No, I haven't.
And this is one last thing, this is not just like as a journalist, like a lot of people have been knowing if like you ever had a hint that, that alcohol was a very serious problem with her, like, it clearly comes out, that why did you not go for counseling or something of that sort?
We did. 2-3 days back only we have taken an appointment from a counselor, and before that this has happened. We did. So it was like I was counseling her a lot. She used to understand. Then I don't know what has happened. Whatever has happened is a very sad thing. Whatever has happened to my life. Somebody has gone from my family. That's what I can say. Thank you.
And lastly, like there were also these stories that you would take part in Bigg Boss this season.
No, I never wanted to go to. I would have gone, but seeing this, it's very difficult. Bigg Boss is what, man? Today I'm talking to you. This is the reason I wanted to go to Bigg Boss, just to say all this thing what I'm saying today. But not now. Now I've been cleared. Thank you.